Hey and welcome to Alpha 1. In this video we will run binary option robot Alpha Master. You can download this robot also, just use the link you see up there right now, or just use the link you find below the video. Also right now I give you 50% on your first deposit, but the deposit need to be more than $100. It's just to use the link and that is done automatically. Also, if you like this type of videos, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question at all, put them below the video. But now, let's start up Alpha Master. And there we have it. We made 4 trades. We have a win rate of 75% and we made a profit of $140. So you can download this robot also. Just use the link you see up there right now. Is this roboting? Or you can just use the link you find below the video. So with that, have an amazing day.